A very good morning, students. I welcome you in Social Science online class. Students, today we are going to start chapter 2, the earliest societies. Students, as you know that in our previous class we have studied about the what is history, why do we need history, what is the importance of history, and how do we study the history. We have studied in that class that there are two sources of history also. So today, now we are going to study about the what is prehistory. Prehistory is the earliest period in the history of humans when they didn't know how to read or write. जब अर्ली वुमेंस को हिस्ट्री में इतिहास में हमारे ह्यूमंस को जब लिखना नहीं आता था, ठीक है ना, लिखना पढ़ना नहीं आता था, उस पीरियड को प्री हिस्ट्री कहा गया है. When they didn't know how to read and write, that period is known as prehistory. Or you can say that this refers to a period of time before people invented a system of writing. Okay, writing was not invented at that time, and that period is known as the prehistory. Prehistoric people had no cities, organized central governments, or complex inventions. All our information about this period comes from fossils such as bones and skeletons and artifacts. Okay, that the prehistoric period is very limited, but prehistory ended at different times in various places when people learn to write. जैसे जैसे लोगों ने पढ़ना सीखा तो वहाँ पर प्री हिस्ट्री पीरियड खत्म होता गया. ओके, एंड द हिस्ट्री स्टार्टेड. इन दैट द रिटन रिकॉर्ड इज अवेलेबल. नाउ लाइफ इन द प्रीहिस्टोरिक. नाउ प्रीहिस्टोरिक पीरियड में लाइफ कैसी थी? Modern human beings first appeared on earth, okay, about many years ago, and homins were not human beings, but they had characteristics similar to humans. वो human beings नहीं थे, but they had similarity characteristics like humans because they could walk, they stand erect, and knew the art of making fire also. Okay, they do not exist anymore, but they lived on earth for many thousands of years. They adapt challenging environments that period. They knew how to hunt and how useful fire was. The life was very different from what can imagine today. जो लाइफ हम अभी सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इट वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट द पास्ट लाइफ. जो पास्ट की लाइफ थी, अर्ली वुमेंस की जो लाइफ थी, इट वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट कंपेरिजन टू प्रेजेंट लाइफ, आवर प्रेजेंट लाइफ. दे वर हंटर गैदरर्स, बट वी आर नॉट हंटर गैदरर्स ना. They were nomadic also. Nomadic means they move from one place to another place in search for food and shelter or to survive. वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव आउट करते थे कि वो सर्वाइव कर सके, क्योंकि उस समय क्या थे, सोर्सेज बहुत लिमिटेड थे. लिमिटेड होने की वजह से सोर्सेज के उनको वो एक ही जगह पर उनको सर्वाइव करने के लिए उनको फूड और शेल्टर नहीं पॉसिबल हो पाता था, तो वह एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपने हंटिंग के लिए वह घूमते रहते थे. Humans lived in caves and small primitive huts made of twigs, logs and animal skin. वो लोग गुफाओं में और झाड़ियों वाले जो छोटे छोटी बने हुए होते हैं घर, उनमें रहते थे, और एनिमल स्किन से भी वो अपने घर बनाते थे. Their tools were variety of tools जो यूज होते थे. They were made of stones, sticks and bones. And through these tools, uh, these tools were used for the hunting. For making the houses. Okay, and these tools were also used to protect themselves from wild animals. Okay, now next, stone tools. Stone tools. It is clear that what stone tools means. पत्थर के tools. Okay, the main tools used by early women were made of stone. जो भी उनके अर्ली वुमेन्स के द्वारा जो टूल्स यूज होते थे वह मोस्टली दे वर मेड ऑफ द स्टोन. सो स्टोन वॉज यूज बिकॉज इट इज इजिली अवेलेबल इन नेचर. आप सबको पता है कि नेचर में स्टोन इजिली अवेलेबल होता है, और उस समय जब कुछ मेटल्स नहीं थे, चीज़ें नहीं थी, तो स्टोन टूल से वो इजीली उनसे अपने टूल्स बना ले लेते थे. एंड दिस टूल्स वर यूज टू मेक वेपन्स फॉर फाइटिंग, हंटिंग, फिशिंग, स्क्रैपिंग एंड क्लीनिंग एनिमल हाइड्स, as well as drilling, engraving, carving wood. There were many uses of these stones, and these tools were also used to making clothing, transport such as boats, shelter, and decorative art also. Stone was hard enough, So to be used as a weapon and could be shaped or sharpened into different sizes depending on the purpose it was being used for. And the tools were made of stone, so that time it was known as a stone age also. That period was also known as stone age. Our archaeologists have divided prehistoric stone tools into three main categories. They were core, flake and blade tools. Core, core tools were palm-sized stones and which were used for pounding, smashing and throwing. Flake tools were used specifically for scraping and slitting. And blade tools were the early forms of knives that we use today. Now students, we come to the phases of the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into three phases: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic is also known as Old Stone Age. Okay, and in this age, simply stone tools were used. There are simple characteristics of this age. During this period, the early humans lived in caves near rivers and lakes. They hunted wild animals and gathered. They were known as hunter-gatherers also. They moved from place to place in search of food and shelter. Okay, so you can say that they were very simple people. ओके जो शिकार करते थे, फूड गैदर करते थे और एक ही जगह सरवाइव करते थे, ठीक है ना. और जब वहाँ पर फूड उनका अवेलेबल नहीं होता था, देन दे गो मूव टू प्ले अनदर प्लेस. वो लोग, उनके जो घर होते थे, दे वर नॉर्मली मेड अप ऑफ, यू कैन से दैट वो गुफा वगैरह में रहते थे. और आफ्टर सम टाइम दे स्टार्टेड दैट हाउसेज बिगिन फ्रॉम द वुड और एनिमल हाइड्स. क्लियर. एंड दिस पैलोथिक एज, after it's further divided into three age: lower Paleolithic age, middle Paleolithic age and upper Paleolithic age. Now next is Mesolithic age. During the Mesolithic age, the people use stones. Okay, they were continue to live as a hunter gatherer only, but the climate changed, and due to climate change, the huge crude and invalid stone tools of the earlier periods were replaced by small sharp pointed stool tools that was known as microliths. Okay, this was the special characteristics of that period. The microlith tools were used in that period. They also soon started making fire and used it. So they started cooking the meat and also use it in the stay safe from animals. They came to know that how the fire was used. Then after that we came to be known as a Neolithic age. Now, Neolithic age, it is also known as New Age, New Stone Age. Neolithic age is the last phase of the Stone Age, and it is marked by the domestication of animals, the development of agriculture, and the manufacture of pottery and textiles. There were many inventions in this age. Okay, and the time period of this was 8000 BC to 3000 BC. In this age, humans shifted from hunter-gatherer life to agriculture and the food production, and started to started a sedentary lifestyle. Okay, in the Neolithic, humans obtained food through farming and domesticated animals. Students, what happened that they started farming. उन्होंने agriculture start की, farming करना start की. When they started farming, it is natural they started to live at a one permanent place. जब आप farming करोगे तो आप naturally एक ही जगह रहना पसंद करोगे, एक ही जगह रहोगे, क्योंकि फार्मिंग का रिजल्ट एटलीस्ट 15-20 डेज में आएगा. तो आप 15-20 डेज में सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते. तो नियोलिथिक एज में वो लोग नोमैडिक नहीं रहे थे. ओके, एंड दे स्टार्टेड द डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. उन्होंने जानवरों को भी पालना स्टार्ट किया था. तो सो दिस एज वॉज नियोलिथिक एज वॉज नोन एज न्यू स्टोन एज. इसमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए थे कंपेरिजन टू पैलोथिक एज एंड मेसोलिथिक एज. Okay, here humans lived in huts, as I told you, and they started in the permanent villages. They started living in a permanent places also. Okay. Now next, in our final topic is prehistoric art. Art of the prehistoric period. The prehistoric humans lived in natural caves and rock shelters. Okay, and they often decorated these rocks and caves with beautiful paintings and engraving. Most of the painting represent different activities of prehistoric life. जो वो गुफा में और रॉक शेल्टर्स में रहते थे, वो डिफरेंट पेंटिंग से डेकोरेटेड होती थी. Okay, cave paintings give us many clues. जो paintings people in the जो paintings हमें मिली हैं, that are the clues of the Stone Age. Okay, the prehistoric art shows the everyday lives of the early human beings, and it was the basis and pattern of life during their ages. For example, many of the images painted on the walls of the cave were of various animals such as horses, bison, etc. And the main theme of the Paleolithic and prehistoric art would revolve around hunting. Uh, Through the paintings and pictures, you can imagine that what the life was there in the in the early human beings, what the life was there in the prehistoric ages. Okay, it may be Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, or the Neolithic age. But through the paintings, through these pictures, you can find out the lifestyle of that time. Paintings were done merely for decoration, but not done merely for decoration, but also tell us about the religious beliefs and practices of the early humans. Okay, I think that it is clear that what is the pre-history and what are the different phases of the Stone Age. Okay, so watch the video and read it, read the chapter carefully so that you can understand the chapter. Okay, students, thank you.